If your belly looks like this, and you want this in just 30 days, then listen carefully. Most people are doing it wrong. Random workouts won't fix it. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it right. These 6 exercises hit your entire core and flatten your stomach faster. No gym, no hours of cardio, just the right system. Exercise 1. Fast knee drives. Drive the knees upward quickly to combine cardio with core engagement. Each time the knee lifts, the abdominal muscles contract to stabilize the body, making this highly effective for burning calories while working the abs. Stand tall, keep the core tight, and rapidly alternate knee drives while staying light on your feet. Perform this for 30 seconds, aiming for 30 to 40 fast repetitions at a moderate pace. You should feel your heart rate increasing, your core tightening, and your body heating up. Avoid leaning too far back, tensing your shoulders, or slowing down too much. This movement boosts fat burning by combining speed and stability, helping reduce overall body fat, including belly fat. Focus on breathing steadily and keeping your movements sharp to maximize calorie burn and core activation. Exercise 2. Waist twist plus knee lift. Start by tightening the waist and working the lower belly at the same time. The twisting motion targets the obliques, the muscles on the sides of the stomach, while the knee lift activates the lower abs, making this a powerful combination to begin the workout. Stand straight, keep the core tight, and twist the upper body slightly as one knee lifts, bringing the opposite elbow toward it. Then switch sides in a smooth, controlled motion. Perform this for about 30 to 40 seconds, aiming for 20 to 30 alternating reps at a moderate pace. You should feel the sides of the waist tightening, the lower abs activating, and a light burn building in the core. Avoid moving too fast, skipping the twist, or leaning forward. This exercise activates the entire core, improves coordination, and prepares the body for fat burning. Exhale slightly with each twist for better engagement. Exercise 3. Diagonal core drives. Use diagonal movement to engage the core from multiple angles, especially targeting the obliques and lower abs. This exercise helps tighten the waist and pull the stomach inward over time. Stand upright, keep your core engaged, and drive your knee diagonally across your body toward the opposite side. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side in a controlled rhythm. Perform this for about 30 to 40 seconds, aiming for around 20 to 30 alternating reps. You should feel a deeper burn along the sides of your stomach and across your core. Avoid rushing through the movement or losing control, as this reduces effectiveness. This exercise improves functional strength and enhances overall core definition. Focus on controlled motion and consistent breathing to fully engage the muscles and maximize results. Exercise 4. Mountain climbers. Increase the intensity with mountain climbers to push your body into a fat-burning state. This exercise combines full body movement with strong core activation, making it highly effective for calorie burn. Keep your core tight and rapidly drive your knees up in an alternating pattern while maintaining balance. Perform this for 30 seconds at a fast but controlled pace, aiming for 30 to 50 repetitions. You should feel your heart rate spike, your core engaged, and your body working hard. Avoid losing posture, leaning too far forward, or slowing down excessively. This exercise accelerates fat loss by combining cardio and strength, helping your body burn more calories efficiently. Stay light on your feet, keep your movements sharp, and maintain steady breathing to get the best results. Exercise 5. Leg raises. Focus on the lower abdominal area with controlled leg raises, one of the most effective ways to target stubborn lower belly fat. Lift your legs while keeping your core tight and avoid using momentum. Lower them slowly to maintain tension in the muscles. Perform this for 30 to 40 seconds, aiming for 15 to 20 controlled reps. You should feel a strong burn in your lower abs as they work to control the movement. Avoid arching your lower back or rushing through the reps, as this reduces effectiveness. This exercise strengthens the lower core and helps flatten the stomach over time. Keep your movements slow and controlled, and focus on engaging your abs throughout the entire range of motion for maximum results. Plank hold. Hold a strong plank position to fully engage and stabilize your core. This exercise works the entire abdominal wall, helping build strength and endurance. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels with your core tight and your hips stable. Hold this position for 30 to 40 seconds while maintaining proper form. You should feel your entire core tightening and working continuously. Avoid dropping your hips, raising them too high, or losing tension in your core. This exercise is highly effective because it forces your muscles to stay engaged
engaged without rest, improving stability and posture. Focus on steady breathing and maintaining tension throughout the hold to maximize core activation and overall effectiveness.
If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more simple and effective workouts. Stay consistent, trust the process, and your results will follow.